everyone, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and today we're going to take this little, I call it a grapevine, but it's actually a bamboo wreath from the Dollar Tree, and these grab bags of flowers and create a beautiful wreath for spring/summer. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What you'll need is some hot glue, one of these really adorable little wreaths, and if you don't have the option to pick up a grab bag, you can just use any flowers that you have, especially from the Dollar Tree, because they're inexpensive and really seriously cute. Okay, first you're just going to determine what you want to be the top, and I want this to be my top. So I'm going to put some flowers, basically just going to glue flowers at the bottom. So what I need to do is open my grab bag that I got at the Dollar Tree and just see what flowers I actually have. I'm just going to pull them all out here on the table. I probably don't need to open both. Look, I've even got some greenery, which is awesome. Didn't even know what all was in there. So I can take, perfect, these pieces and glue them down first and then put my flowers over them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let my creativity work, and I'm just going to record, and then I don't, like for me, I don't have a particular method other than I just kind of look at what I like and then put it together, and we'll just see how it comes out. And then I am going to put a bow at the top. I would give you one tip here is that I usually lay out the flowers how I think they would look good before I actually glue them down. So just FYI on that. You want to try to place them and see what you like before you actually do the gluing, because if you glue them down, you're pretty much committed to it. So just wanted to let you know that. All right, after you put all your flowers on, then you glued those on, you like the way that that looks, and then you just add a little bow. Now your bow doesn't have to be in the center at the top. It can be to the side or however you want it. But this is the center here of my wreath, and it's going up the sides. This side is a little higher than this side, and that's okay. You can make it however you want. And so this is just a really, really easy and fun decoration that you can make for your wall for summer, for spring. And you can just hang it up and enjoy it all summer long. So I hope you enjoyed this. It'll inspire you to create something beautiful for your home with just a few things from the Dollar Tree. Some scrap flowers that were going to be probably thrown away, but I managed to grab them in this grab bag. One of these bamboo wreaths, which is like a grapevine wreath. And then just, this is actually ribbon from the Dollar Tree that I had on hand, and I may put a flower in the middle of that. I'm trying to decide. But I'll take a picture when I'm done, and it'll be right after this. All right, so here we go. And it's hanging on the wall, so enjoying that beautiful wreath that I just made. I hope that you enjoyed this, and it will inspire you to create something beautiful as well.